If you've heard of Sellvia before, you probably know it as a drop shipping platform, but today I want to show you something different about it. Sellvia has a massive catalog of digital products, and I mean massive, over 37,000 items. Ebooks, guides, checklists, bundles, and all of it ready to add to your store and sell right now. So let's look at what's actually in there, how the numbers work, and whether it's worth your time. All right, I'm on the dashboard. On the left sidebar, you've got products. Click that and you'll see a section called Digital Products. That's where we're headed. Here's the catalog. Let's go through what's here. The top niches are wellness, mindset, personal style and fashion, and wealth. Then you've got more, such as AI, financial education, parenting, beauty, etc. These aren't random. People are searching for these topics every day. This means evergreen demand and massive audiences. And all of these are digital products. It means you don't have to deal with shipping, inventory, or returns. When someone buys a product, it becomes available in a minute. As the store owner, you don't lift a finger to fulfill it. Let's look at a specific product. Here's a beginner's guide to investing in stocks. Retail price, $18.99. Your cost as the store owner, $10.49. Your profit per sale, $8.50. Sell 10 of these, that's $85. Sell 100, $850. And you didn't write it, design it, or hire anyone to make it. And you can also sell bundles. Here's a 5 guide pack on real estate investing. Customer price, $382.99. Your cost, $210.49. Your profit on one sale, $172.50. One order, $172 profit. That's the economics of digital products. High margins, instant delivery, zero logistics. So, is Sellvia good for digital products? My honest answer is yes. Here's why. 37,000 ready-made products is a catalog very few platforms can match. The niches are solid with average profit margin around 46%, all in one place, with no technical setup, no team, no content creation budget. If you've been thinking about selling digital products, Sellvia is one of the fastest ways to actually get started. The trial is free, and there's a $40 ad credit included to test the whole thing. Link is in the description. Try it yourself and see how it feels.